You can get Alpharex headlights at headlightrevolution.com, but before you pull the trigger on a set, you want to understand the differences in the three color choices. You have black, chrome, and jet black. Let me show you close-up looks at each color so you understand the differences between the three options. When Alpharex products are called black, I think what they mean is matte black. If you look at the inside of the housing behind the plexiglass, all of the black painted surfaces are a matte black finish, kind of like hot rod black. In the F-150 headlight, the entire thing is matte black, including the shrouds around each projector. But in this 4Runner headlight, it's matte black with chrome shrouds. So when they say black, they mean matte black, sometimes with chrome shrouds, sometimes without chrome shrouds. When you're at headlightrevolution.com, put in your year, make, and model, and we'll pull up all the different headlight options for your car or truck. And depending on what pictures are shown, you should be able to see if it's with chrome shrouds or black shrouds. When Alpharex says chrome, they mean chrome. Everything's chrome on the inside. The shrouds are chrome. The inner bezel is chrome. Around the parking light is chrome. It's chrome, chrome, chrome. That's all you get with chrome. There's not two options. And it doesn't matter if you're shopping for an F-150, like you see here with this headlight, or a Dodge Ram, or a Tundra. It's all gonna look the same. Chrome from top to bottom. And probably the most popular style that most people are looking for but are confused by the names, jet black or alpha black. What it comes down to is, regardless of what Alpharex calls these two colors, they look like this. It doesn't matter if it's for the F-150 or an Infiniti SUV. The jet black and the alpha black headlights are all gloss black. There's no chrome accents. It's shiny, piano black, interior finish, and they look super cool. No matter where you're shopping for your Alpharex headlights, hopefully this video clears some things up for you. But just know that at headlightrevolution.com, if you put in your year, make, and model, we'll show you all the Alpharex headlights, along with other brands that you also might love.